we are going to understand the next question is 49 of Leetcode problem, and the question is group anagram, right? And so I think I have already uploaded a couple of videos in this 180 days FAANG preparation guide, right? Where we are getting started with some basic questions that is very important, right? So let's continue. And if you have not gone through the previous videos, please watch this playlist of 180 days FAANG preparation, and let's continue over here. So let's read the question. Question is saying that we have given an array of a string, and strings are strs, and groups the anagram together. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so the example is saying that we have given string strs like this. These are the strings we have given, and we have to return the group of anagrams together. So you can return any order if you want, right? Let's suppose for EAT, right? We can see we have T, then we have ATE, right? Like that we have. Okay, so you can see we have already made the group in this output, and no need to make individual comparing, right? So the explanation is saying that there is no string in str that can be rearranged from the bat, but we have nat and 10 that can be rearranged, and then we have 8 ate and ter that can be arranged, right? So you pause this video, guys, and go through the statements. Okay, so understand the intuition here. So the anagrams are words. First of all, the anagrams are words. The anagrams that we have given are words, right? So all the words are anagrams, and that is represented by strs. Okay, so the anagrams are words that have the same character but in a different order, right? For example, we have ATE, EAT, and TE, right? So EAT, TEA, and 8 all contains the letters AET, right? So to group anagrams, we need a way to identify that the two strings are anagram, right? Means to group anagrams, like how we are grouping these anagrams, ATE, EAT, and TE, that we have already selected, right? So we need a way to identify that two strings are anagrams, right? And the best way is to do is to sort the characters, right? And in each string we have to sort the character in each string, and if two strings have the same sorted form, they are anagrams. What I'm trying to say, let's suppose I'll copy this one, I'll write here so you will understand. Okay, so let's suppose these are the strings we have given, right? These strings are given ATE, EAT, and TE, right? So if we'll sort the first string, let's suppose I'm talking about this, so what will happen after the sorting? It become AET, right? And similarly, if we'll sort this one, it will become this. If we'll sort these characters, it will become like this. So any of these three string if we'll take, right, and we'll sort its characters, right, right, so the string will become equal, and the equal is what? AET, right? So if the two strings have the same sorted form, means they are anagrams, and that is why they three are the three are anagrams, and all contains the letter AET, right? So what we need to do, like what are the steps we can do, right? So first of all, what we will do, we should create a map that will contain you can say like this and this. Okay, let's suppose if I will create the map like this, okay, means if I will search this in the map, I should get this, and this, right? So we should create the map. Let's suppose we'll create the hash map, and that will contain the key as you can say the sorted one, and the list of string that we have given is all the anagrams, right? Means I'm trying to say we'll create a sorted one, the sorted one, and all these uh, all these are their anagrams, right? So let me try what I'm trying to say. What I will do, I should create let's suppose a map, right? Map of string, and then we should take a list of string, and these list of strings are anagrams, right? So we can give any name. Let's suppose I'll give the name map is equal to new. I'll give the has map like this. Okay, so we can create the has map like this, right? And so the first job we have done to create the map, and we'll keep storing all the characters, all the you can say sorted one as a key, and all these we should add on the map. Okay, on the list, right? And then we will iterate over each string in the input array, right? So we have given this input array strings, so we have to iterate over each string in the input array, and we'll convert the string to char array, and then we'll sort it so we can get this. So any of this is coming the first time from the array string, so if we sort it, we'll get this one, and once we will get this, we can append the list, right? And we'll keep adding there, right? So and finally we'll return the values of the map, and we'll return the result, right? So what I told you, so first we'll create the map of the has map of the uh, uh, you can say sorted one, and the list of string that we have to map the sorted word to the list of their anagrams, we can say. And then we'll iterate over each string in the input array. We'll convert the string to the char array, and we'll sort it, and we'll use the sorted string as a key, and then we'll append the original string to the list of the key in the map, and finally we'll return the all the values in the map as a result. Okay, so you pause this video, guys, and go through here. So you try by yourself, so you can implement it, right? And it will be easy for you to uh, write it, right, the code. Okay, so we will use the has map where the key is the sorted one, and the values is the list of the string that match the key, that we will do here. And then we will loop each word, we'll sort it, we'll store it in the map, and finally we'll return the value in the map. So let's begin from here. Okay, so I will recommend pause this video and try by yourself. If not happening, then see the video. Okay, so first of all, I'll go with the for loop. Okay, in the for loop we have given this a string, so from the string we'll get one we will iterate on each of the word, or you can say string. So this is nothing but your str, and we will iterate over the all the strings, given array of the strings. So we can do that. And for the to convert the string into characters, right, what we have to do, we have to write the char array, right? And this char array is, we can say chars we can say. Okay, and we can write str dot, there is a to char array method, to char array, to convert the string into character array. This is a function of the string. You can write it to char array, and we'll convert it. After that we can write arrays dot sort. You can write arrays dot sort. Okay, and then you can write chars. Got my point? Arrays dot sort, and then you can provide the chars. Now you have the sorted one, right? Now you have sorted. So we can write the string, and this is nothing but your key, sorted anagram key, you can say. And how will you write that? The string we can write from the character array is new string of you can say constructor, and that will take constructor can take the cats array, and now we have the key. Now what we should do, we have our map. On the map we can put directly, right? But if it is coming the first time, and fine. If it is not coming the first time, then what we should do, compute, means first we will compute if it is absent, if absent, if absent. So this is the method on the map. So if we'll directly put map.put, so it will replace the previous value, right? And so better will use compute if absent. So the key will be, if key is already there and there will be some value, right? Then we can write like this. Let's suppose we have key, and the key tends to you can say array, list of array, new. If it is coming for the first time, will uh, will say list of a string, and then we write this like this, right? And over this, what we will do, we'll do add. If we have already added the key and there is some list, then we'll add directly the str that we are passing. The anagrams will keep updating. So this is the list of the anagrams. This is the list of anagrams, and that is why we have defined here new array list, right? So this is the type of string, and so on this list we can add the str, right? We can add the str, and finally once this is done, for loop is done, what we should do, we should return this array list, right? This array list will take map dot values, right? Map dot values. What we are doing here, so first of all we have created a map, has map. So we are using a has map where the key is the sorted one, sorted array, and the values are the list of anagrams that we have given. The values are the list of anagrams. What are the anagrams? We are iterating the anagrams, right? And we are adding each anagrams at a time, right? And finally what we are doing, finally we returns the values from the map. Okay, I hope you understand, right? Let me submit. Compilation error is coming. New I have not used. I think I have to use new. Okay, so it's working. Let me submit. Yeah, so it's working. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe this channel, and in this playlist I'll keep adding all the important videos, right? And to understand the basic concept that is required to implement the intermediate and hard questions, right? And that's it. This solutions runs in because we are using sorting, we are iterating over the anagrams, then we are doing computing, right, these things. So this runs you can say if there is a k elements, right? So we can say n into k log k, right? So I can say, if we talk about complexity, time complexity, we'll say O of n into k log k, n into k log k. Okay, why? Because n is the number of string, right? N is the number of string, and k is the average length of the string, right? So if we'll consider the anagrams that we have given, right? So these are the anagrams. If average you can say length of the string is k, right? And total number of string is n, so it will become n times of k log k log n, k log k, right? We can say. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding problems, and drop your doubts in the comment and I'll reply to everyone. And thank you for watching this video, guys.